Hey everyone, and welcome back. As we know, Cadyce has been innovating and crossing the boundaries in the tech industry. Today, we have Cadyce's CA2 CHD2 docking station that's specifically made for your MacBook Pro. Let's take a look. The CA2 CHD2 is your ideal aid, as it gives that extra edge needed so that you can deliver optimum performance from your MacBook Pro. It addresses literally all the needs of your MacBook Pro. And just look at how compact and easy to carry it is. Super exciting, right? Wait till I tell you all the features. The CA2 CHD2 has two USB 3.0 ports that allow data transfer rates at 5 Gbps, 10 times faster than USB 2.0. It has a gigabit LAN and it's compatible with Thunderbolt 3 ports. It also has two HDMI ports supporting resolutions up to 4K. It supports dual HDMI display in extended and mirror modes. So that means you can watch all your favorite shows in the best quality. Delivering an impressive data transfer rate of 5 Gbps, the USB-C slot also pumps power up to 100 watts. So hello fast charging. This device also has a microSD and SD card slot with an impressive storage capacity up to 2 terabytes. I'm sure till now you've been finding it really difficult to manage that tangled mess of wires, but not anymore. You can connect all your devices like printers, external hard drives, and audio accessories to the CA2 CHD2. And guess what the best part is? It's just a simple plug-and-play device. Just plug it into your MacBook Pro and enjoy. It's travel-friendly, it's flexible, and it's stress-free. It's time you embrace dual efficiency. Go get your CA2 CHD2 today. Until next time, take care.